Hi everyone, Rocket here with Eat Vermont. Today I'm in Shoreham with the Vermont Cattlemen at one of their partner farms, Daona Farms. This beautiful food, this gorgeous steak, is from a cow that was raised right here in Vermont. So we're gonna go take a tour around the farm, and then we'll talk to Jess, who put this food together.
Mike Brisson from Shoreham, Vermont. This is Daona Farm. I operate this with my brother and a lot of help.
How does a dairy cow make milk to begin?
So a cow has to have a calf to have milk. So we have been breeding some of the cows to beef breed, so we can raise those alongside of our dairy replacements.
These are our dairy replacements. These calves are about 6 to 10 months old.
And just dairy replacement, what does that mean?
These are the youngsters that are gonna grow up and join the milking herd.
What you have behind me here is a mix. In one section, we have the dairy heifers. Those are the cows that are being raised to produce milk in the future. And then a little further down, we have the Wagyu cross cows. And those are cows that are dairy cows that were crossbred with Wagyu cows, and those are being raised for beef.
When I started out I started doing this just because I wanted something good to eat. And then we started sharing it with friends, and somebody said you ought to try to make a business out of it.
Okay.
So that's what we did.
And here you are.
Here we are.
It also helps with the low stress environment. That's how the Wagyu in Japan, that marbling, they say they massage them and give them beer and all that, but it's the low stress that really helps that marbling.
Do you guys massage and get beer?
I don't, but I would like massage and I would take a beer.
For yourself. Not all cows and not all animals are raised the same way. This is a wonderful example of animals being raised in a healthy way and in a happy way. These cows are the picture of happy cows.
I'm trying to optimize for the best eating experience I can. We spend more money feeding than what is commercially viable in this country.
Hey, I'm Jess Brisson at Daona Farm, and today we're doing some grilling.
What kind of beef is this? What makes it special?
So this is American Wagyu. It's 50% Wagyu genetics, and that's what contributes to that great intramuscular marbling, super fine muscle texture, and great eating experience for the best full flavor.
I think people are happy with the 50% Wagyu because it's the best of both worlds. It's better beef than anything in the grocery store, and it has the marbling, the flavor, and tenderness.
That's what makes it better.
What makes a great steak, and it satisfies your taste buds.
Yeah.
And it's something you can have at any time.
Yeah.
The full blood is kind of a high-end, a special occasion, more for real foodies that want to, taste what the luxury full blood is all about. But for the 50%, I think most people think it's a great compromise.
What's your plan for preparing this today?
So I have made this really simple. There's nothing on it. It's a little salt and a little pepper. I'm just gonna let the meat shine because it has such great flavor on its own. Gonna grill up some of this.
Love it. Let's get to it.
All right, thanks.
If you want high quality food, you gotta have respect for the farmers who put it together and really understand how important it is that these cows live great lives. That's what makes a great product. My name is Rocket. You're watching Eat Vermont, and thank you to the Vermont Cattlemen for having me out.